Hey everybody, this is James Pot Metal Repair. What we have here is a 1966 Pontiac GTO center console, and this one is for sale. What we've done to it is we've stripped all the chrome off of it, so this is raw metal, and the reason why it's shiny is because we polished it, and we just wanted whoever is interested in it to see exactly what they're getting. Nothing is hidden. Nothing at all. And as you can see, there's very, very little pitting, if any. There is some, but just a very, right there's a little bit. But for the most part, this thing is in really, really good shape, and it just needs a home and a plate job. And if you're interested in this center console, you can text me at 707-621-5052, or you can email me at james@potmetal.repair. You can also call that number as well, to the 707-621-5052, and I will surely answer. But if you text me, usually if you call, I'm busy in the shop and I can't hear the phone regardless, but if you text me, I can get right back to you. So anyhow, if you are interested in purchasing this, we would like $6,000 or a reasonable offer, because this one here is near perfect. It's in really good shape, and these things, that is roughly the typical price that you will find one of these at. But hey, I am very, very willing to negotiate, and if a good price is, I've had this thing for a while, I would like to get $6,000 for it, but if I can't, no problem, just make me an offer. And depending on the day, I may take it. So please give me a call. All right. So thank you very much for watching the video, and I will hopefully talk to you soon.